Hi, in this video, I'll quickly show you the two ways to log into your Shipturtle admin dashboard. The first way is directly through the website. You can just create a new tab, search next.app.shipturtle.com. You can use the login credentials that are provided to you at the time of installation through your email. If you cannot find the email, make sure to check your spam folder. Once you're logged in, you can change your password from inside the app as well. The second and the easier way is to go to your Shopify store, go to apps, search for ShipTotal and click on this arrow. This will automatically log into you on your ShipTotal admin dashboard. That's it. You can now access ShipTotal either from Shopify or directly through our cloud.